Hi, so I just got back from a camping trip and I've got all these bites, all these little bites here from a spider or mosquito. I got a bite here. I'm not sure you can see that very well. This bites all up and down my ankles here. Here's one here. Here's a couple over here. And I tell you, they just itch like crazy. So I went out and I bought some hydrocortisone, 1%. And this stuff, you put it on, maximum strength, it doesn't work very well, all right? So then I went out, asked the pharmacist, he says, buy after bite. All right, it's a little dabber on top here. You just kind of dab it on the bites. It kind of makes a little liquid. And this doesn't work that well either. So I look at the ingredients. Right here, not sure you can see that very well. It says sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, 5%. So this tube costs about $7, and it's just baking soda. So what I do is I get some baking soda, kind of mix it in with a little bit of water, make a little paste here, just like that, little pasty stuff, and then you just rub it on your bites like this. Just gob it on. No big deal. Okay? Get some more. You don't want it too juicy. You just get it on there. Rub it in. Let it kind of absorb in there. And on the other side over here, that's all you do. Okay? Rub it all in. Okay? Over here, this side, rub it all in, just like that. And then, this is way better than 5% baking soda, and it probably cost me like 3 cents. Alright, just put it all on, and then it somehow it like dries out the little itchiness, goes away. And then you just pull your socks over it, and I already feel it itching. It's going away that fast. That's all you do. So that's my little camper hike hack for mosquito bites or other bites. Hope you liked the video. Bye.